Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman here. Today I'm going to show you how you can post to multiple Facebook groups at the same time. So this is excellent. A while ago, Facebook used to allow this. It was great. Then for a couple years, they really got away from it. They shut it down because of spamming. And now there is a new way that you can post to multiple Facebook groups at the same time. So there are three main things about this post or about this activity that you need to be aware of in order to make this happen. And the number one thing is that you must be doing this on a mobile device. So it does not work on a desktop, hence the view of this screen right now. It's up and down instead of sideways. It's portrait, not landscape. So that's why it looks like that, because this is happening from a mobile device. Number two is that only works if you're using it from a Facebook page. So you have to have shared the post or posted this post on a Facebook page in order to share it or post it to multiple other groups. And the third thing is you have to be acting as yourself. So when you're on this Facebook page, you can't be liking, commenting, and sharing as the page itself. It has to be your own profile. So the three things are: you have to do this on mobile, you have to post or share this from a page, and you have to be acting as yourself. So you can see here I've got this post. It's on my book. I'm giving away my audiobook, A Guide to Deception, for free to anyone who likes, comments, and shares this post. And so we are going to share this or post it in as many groups possible. So here we go. You can see I can click share. Then this thing pops up that says, what do I want to do? So I'm going to touch share to a group. And there we go, that comes up. Now I can just click all of these buttons one after another: share, share, post. And you can see as I'm doing this that up above I am able to share this to multiple different Facebook groups. You can see I'm getting the results. It's saying posted, 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 and they keep coming. So that is wonderful, and this is a great way that I can share this to multiple Facebook groups. Now, one thing you have to consider too is that these are groups that you need to have already joined. When you're sharing this, these are groups that you personally are a member of. Now, you may see, just like you saw, that sometimes when you share to a group, it may ask if you want to join the group as your page. Then you can like, comment, and share within the group as your page. You can do that if you want. It's up to you. But these are groups that you have to be a member of. So you can join these groups, then they will pop up here. That's not preloaded for you. They're your groups. Okay, so let's check out the amount of shares on this post now that we've done it. We're going to refresh this whole page, so I'll reload it. Keep in mind, when we started out, there were 2 shares at the beginning of the video, so you can rewind and look back just to double check if you want. But here we go, so we're going to refresh this as soon as it loads. Okay, so here we go. And now look at this. We're at over 40 shares here because of this. So keep in mind, this is how you can post to multiple Facebook groups at pretty much the same time. Share your post across all these groups that you have to be a member of. And then there are the 3 things. Remember, it has to be done on mobile. It's posting from a page, and you're acting as your personal profile. So that's it. That's how to share to multiple Facebook groups. I hope you'll like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with others as well, maybe even in multiple Facebook groups. Until next time.